So that's actually a Ferris wheel. Oh my god, that's scary. All this time. I thought I read something Ferris wheel. Oh, you go through here. So you pay there. What the fuck? Oh, that's cool. There was a Ferris wheel. Looks like it's gonna rain. It's kind of cold there. Oh man, I got one more thing. Hello. I got one more thing to do. It's like the State Street. Look how slow that moves. Damn, that shit's scary. It's like the State Street thing. It's kind of far from here. The only reason I left was because earlier I passed by and there weren't a lot of stores open. Usually they open at 11. And it was like around 10:30, and I wasn't just gonna stay there and wait. I just pretty much came to do other stuff. Hello, Pink Kawaii Cafe. Tokyo, Osaka. So I guess at night this gets bustling, people drinking and stuff. But so cold. Oh shit, that's the famous guy thing. That guy, whatever, I forget, Glyco I think his name is. It's really popular, I guess. People take a lot of selfies with him. Pretty much that's my last stop, this guy, the Glyco guy. And then I got that one more thing that I skipped, that like State Street thing, Michigan Avenue type of thing, where they have a lot of stores open. And I want to buy one of those. Oh wow, look at that. I want to buy one of those little bells. But here at Donkey, they're too expensive. Wow, look at the people. Shit. That's the famous guy. I pretty much finished everything except that street.
자기 걸로 붙이던가? 자기 게 나은